you guys, so we're just gonna jump right into it. I got on my shadow shield. My eyes been primed with P.Louise base and Rumour number 2. So here I'm in my Juvia's Place Magic palette, and I'm taking Nana and Zakiya and mixing both of those shades together, and I'm placing them with a Morphe blending brush, and I'm just buffing that into my crease a little bit above it because it's going to be my transition shade. I'm not going to take it far over because this look is supposed to be kind of ombre. I don't really know what I was doing with this, but I was just doing something, so I'm not perfect. Please don't judge. So now with the Sedona lace brush, I am now in my Saharan 2 palette, and I'm just packing on Zohra, however you pronounce that. I'm bad at pronunciation, sorry. And I'm just pretty much leaving that towards the end of my outer eye, kind of packing it on, then kind of blending it out a little bit. I guess, so to say, kind of going for a ombre type effect here. So I leave it pretty saturated towards the end, but then I drag it in towards my inner corner, well, the inner part of my eye. And just that same brush, and it still has those leftover colors. I'm just kind of lightly blending out that red burgundy color, as you can see on my other lid. Just on comparison, just touching up a little bit, because I only want it to look dark in certain areas. That's what I say, I don't really know what I was going for. So now I'm just taking a smaller Morphe brush with that same color from Saharan 2 palette, that Zohra. I will have everything. It's not Zohra, I can't pronounce it. I will have everything listed down in the description, and I'm dragging that underneath my lower lash line because later on I am going to add more color there as well. Just a little bit more precise. So now here I am going back into my Magic palette on a flat M.A.C brush. I'm applying Kinsey, which is just like a basic kind of white brown nude shade, you know, just to mat it all the way up. And I'm taking this up as far as possible. I'm taking this all the way actually up into the crease, and it won't be as harsh of a line because I'm going to go and blend all that out. And oh, for under eyebrow highlight, brow highlight, blah blah blah, I cannot talk today. I actually use another shade from my Juvia's Place Warrior 2 palette. But here I'm going in with my NYX matte liner. I'll be back. Alright, so I lined my eyes. I actually lined it with the gold as well because I can't do liner on camera. And now my NYX Wonder pencil in shade dark. I'm just using that for my waterline only because I wanted my eyes to appear a little bit brighter. So I'm taking that all the way in and lining the whole waterline. As you can see, I'm not going down into my lower lash line because I'm going to add those colors back in that I use on my actual eye. So here I'm taking one of the Jaclyn Hill brushes out of her collection from Morphe, and I'm just adding more of that Kizzy shade from my Magic palette into my inner corner of my eye and dragging it down to my lash line. And here I am with another Jaclyn Hill Morphe brush. It's just a small little detail eyeshadow brush, and I'm taking that shade from the Saharan 2 palette, that burgundy red shade, and I'm just dragging that along my bottom lash line, kind of blending it in with that cream white shade. And if you guys are looking into my background, you're gonna see my son keep passing back and forth because yeah, he's upstairs while I record. Yeah, so I'm just touching up Trying to make everything as matte as possible. Trying to blend everything as much as possible. To my liking, so to say. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And I do apologize that I wasn't on camera lining my eyes because I just couldn't. I couldn't. And that is MAC Hot and Naughty mascara. And I'm just going to take the bigger part and I'm going to do my top and my bottom lashes. Just a little light coat. Because I don't want it to affect the nudeness of that pencil. And that actual gold liner that I made is just something from Mehron. And it's their mixing medium and their gold powder. So I just mixed that together and I placed that liner on top of my black matte mix liner. So yeah, with a little small detailer brush. My lashes are from Mosquito and they are in the style Black Magic. And that's it, you guys. Very short, sweet, and to the point. I hope you guys enjoy this. Like, share, subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.